Welcome back to the Entrepreneurial SME. My guest is Arvind Raichur, CEO of Eagle Intelligent Health, a secure telehealth platform that allows patients to connect to skilled South African doctors in the app from anywhere, regardless of location. Arvind, what gives you the right? What is your background? Where did this all come from?
It's a great question, Rams. I've been in the tech space for more than 20 years. I have founded some fairly good-sized internet businesses before. I've had some exits as well. So this particular app, this is my life's work. I feel like it's making the biggest impact. But that's how long I've been in the space.
One of my biggest worries when I speak to successful entrepreneurs like you is that I always say it sounds so romantic. What were some of your challenges?
Wow. Rams, the challenges when you are doing a tech startup in particular begins with making sure that you've done a good job with the product market fit. Understanding what the market needs, making sure that your product addresses that, making sure that the solution is simple and intuitive so that the user has the best experience possible. After you've done it a few times, and as I said, I've been doing this for 2 decades now, it becomes easier, but each time it presents new challenges because each market is different.
Let's go back to the app. What does it cost me now as the patient to have this app on my phone? Because ultimately this is a business, right?
Yeah, it's free for the patient to download the app and start to input their records. All of that is freely available to them. And obviously, if they go through and create their medical history and start to input that information, they get a curated personal health search engine for themselves. Again, the cost to them is nothing.
And
if they do the telehealth, of course, there will be a charge for that.
And I don't need to have like university education to navigate the app.
No, definitely not.
Anybody can navigate it. Very important.
Oh, absolutely. Yes, that is key.
Now, can you share with me some of your plans going forward? This is working now. This is exciting. You're expanding into the world. What's next?
One of the things that's next with regard to the health tech sector in particular, and one of the things that we've done a lot with here in the US and are implementing there in South Africa, is the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. I think the big key is to empower the other side of the equation, empower the doctors to know all of the available information that they should based on the patient's conditions and medications, so that the doctor is better educated and informed as to the best solutions that are available to that patient. In doing so, you give the patient the best opportunity for success and outcomes.
I'm going to conclude this conversation with 5 or 6 questions, all of which require a one-line answer from you. So let's go.
Okay.
Have you ever thought of quitting?
Have I ever thought of quitting? No, never.
Why or why not?
I'm passionate about what I do. I love building technologies that help people.
What keeps you going?
What keeps me going? That I'm helping people, that I'm building technologies that matter. That keeps me going.
And what do you do for fun?
Family time. Family time. My son is a baseball player in high school here in the US, and that's what I do for fun, is watch him play.
Coffee, tea, or whiskey?
Coffee.
You can tell me the truth. And given a chance, would you do this again?
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely.
I'm doing something I'm passionate about.
You've been a great sport, mate. Thank you very much for tonight. And that's where we leave it for Entrepreneurial SME. From me, Rams Mabote, good night and God bless.
Telkom Business, behind South African businesses' drive to thrive.